Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka jela Conrad ke sangma haringkat bar menteri ka tanat pulih puthi uba lakmen rumbui Chief Secretary ka jela uba DP Watlang bat kinong kam ka office hene ka janmiet ki lahir jurep kendet ya ka skol Pinemount bat ha kani ka jing jurep menteri Rangba ulala bon ki jing don kam ban pen bha ya ka te ka jaka pulih la ka de ye ki pan khana ki kamera kelas kamadan ye le kai bat ka auditorium Habakran hakani kasingi Menteri Rangba ulai tho bamar sendap ka examen kaban wan jong ki khna kinsa pen bahano ya baro bar habaya de baka hostel lani ka jaka sa ki khna jong ka te ka skol ulong baka sarkar kala dep ban mang pisa habaya de bat kani bar ukermen basyan kinsa la ban sedang teino ya ki building ba Thymmai
The new building in any case.
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason we are asking by when will the hostelers go back home?
The hostelers will go back as soon as the final exams are over.
Regarding some issues that were there in Pinemount School, and this being one of the premier institutes of our state, and in the recent past there have been a lot of issues that have come up out here. So therefore we felt that a site visit and coming and seeing things for yourself would give us a better perspective on the current situation out here. So based on that, we had decided to come here and visit Pinemount School along with the Honorable Education Minister and other officials, including our Chief Secretary. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we've also seen that the hostel facility is not at all, up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already, and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing was taking a bit of time. So I have spoken to the PWD minister in charge building, PWD building, that the tendering process should be completed at the earliest. And within this academic year, within the next academic year, before the next academic year starts, that we would want the construction work of the new hostel building to start. And in the meantime, we'll make temporary arrangements for the students who are in the hostel. And we are looking at multiple options. We'll take a call on that in the next few days' time on how we can temporarily accommodate the children who are in the hostels in temporary facilities around the campus only. So we are examining that too. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused. We feel it can be put to better use. So we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future. So this was basically an idea was to, as I said, have a hands-on view of the entire situation out here. We are also seeing the field out here. This also is in a bad condition, so those aspects also will be examined, and other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We'll examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here, and based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers, and other managing committee members. So based on all those concerns, we thought that we should make a visit and see things with our own eyes. And based on that, as I said, we're going to take certain steps to improve things.
But even though the students remain in school for long hours, they don't go to the toilet. They said the toilet is in a very bad condition.
Absolutely.
What do you have to say on this?
Yeah, exactly. So though these are not matters that requires us as a minister and the chief minister and all of us to come, but because even small matters like these are important to us, and concerns of students like this are important to us. So every single thing that we can do to make things better, we will do it. And this entire concern about the toilets not being in good condition, immediate steps will be taken to ensure that they are repaired.
And we know the allegation that there's a mismanagement of fund in the school.
No, those things are allegations could be there. That is something that the department will look into and will give a report accordingly. But as I said, we are not here to look into that side. We are here really to see the way forward. We are here to ensure that we can take steps to improve things. And at the minister's level, chief secretary, and my level, once we come here and visit and take decisions, then things will be done at a much faster pace. So that's really what our objective is today. It's ongoing right now. Yeah, we have not got the report yet.
There's also going demand from Section 52 to remove the principal, the present principal.
Yeah, I mean, any step that has to be taken will be based only on proper investigation or whatever reports that we get. So based on the reports, we will see and we will accordingly decide how to move forward.
We
Okay,
should
guys.
visit another government school so in the city because I am from government boys and in government boys there is no library and the toilets is worse than the school will also conduct a visit over there.
Sure. We will examine. As you're aware, that in the last 3.5 years, we have. I'm saying 3.5. The reason is because we had started the work of the improvement of infrastructure about 3.5 years back. We have done new construction of buildings as well as repair of old government school buildings in almost every school, and we have given a target to ourselves that we will try to touch all the schools, government schools that are there. So definitely what you have mentioned, that if there are any other schools, government schools, which require any kind of major repairs that need to be done, definitely we'll look into that also.